Okay, welcome back to another video on mathematics, and we're considering the topic prime and prime factorization. And before you understand what is prime factorization, you have to understand what is prime numbers. We are going to go through this journey together. Please don't leave me halfway. Let's finish this journey together and reach the promised land together. Okay, the promised land is finishing the exercise and entering another topic. Okay, if it's your first time of receiving a video, please click on the subscription button to subscribe. Okay, prime numbers. Those numbers are those numbers that can divide itself and one. This is a popular definition by people in daycare and nursery school. Okay, but prime factor, we have known that prime number are numbers that can only divide itself and one. We have to know what is prime factor before we start talking about prime factorization. Prime factors are where pair natural numbers. There must be pair natural numbers that are prime number. There must be natural number and there must be a prime number where pair natural numbers that are prime numbers multiply each other. What did they do after multiplying each other? To give a product of a particular natural number. So from here now you know that a prime factor is a pair of natural number, the one condition first, and is going to be a prime number on that condition first. Second, multiply each other, the third condition. The last one, product, it gives the product of a particular number. Let's go to the example, and before we go to the example, we have to list out the prime numbers, the first 20 prime numbers, for we to be understanding what we are saying here. First 20 prime numbers. And right now you should know that prime number divide itself on 1. So we start by 1. 1 is not actually, no, 1 is not a prime number. I remember not to tell you that. I will tell you the reason why 1 is not a prime number. Many people are in that error. I fall in that error also. Thank you, I remember. 3 is a prime number. It divides itself and 1. 4 is not a prime number. It can be divided by 2. 5 is a prime number. It can be divided by itself and 1. 6 is not a prime number. It can be divided by 2 and 3. 7 is a prime number. It can be divided by 7 and itself. 8 is not a prime number. It can be divided by 4 and 2. 9 can be divided by 3. Yes, can be divided by 3. And 10 is not a prime number. It can be divided by 2 and 5. 11 is a prime number. It can only be divided by itself and 1. 12 can be divided by 6 and 2. And 13 can be divided by itself only. 14 can be divided by 2 and 7. 15 can be divided by 3 and 5. 16 can be divided by 2, 4, and 8. 17 can be divided by 17 cannot be divided by by any other number is only itself and 1. 19 cannot be divided by any other number but itself and 1. 18 can be divided by a number which is 2 and 9. 20 can be divided by a number which is 2, 10, 5, and 4. So this is the first 20 prime numbers, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 first 20 prime numbers. Okay, let's go to the prime factor. Let's solve the question. Find the prime factor of 24. Let me pick 24 and 36. 24 and 36. Let's find the prime factor of 36. I remember it's going to be a what? What is it going to be? It's going to be a pair of two natural number. Pair of natural number is going to be a prime number. It will multiply each other to give this. Okay, let's check. 2 is not a prime number. 3 is a prime number. I will pick 3. Pick 3. 3. What can 3 times that can give me 12? Can give me 24. Sorry. Oh, this is prime number. I wrote all the prime. Sorry. It's only 12. Shit. But by the way, I have to list all the factors, all the prime. This is prime factor. What is doing you? Okay, I have to list all the factors and pick the prime number. Okay, 2 by what? 2 by 12, which is 4 by 12. And this is 4 by 3. This is 2 by 6. Well, let's be watching. And this is what? 2 by 3, which is 8 by this 2, 2, 2. Yes. No, we made a mistake here. When the mistake, there's an error here, an error here, an error here, an error here, because I was surprised. It's going to be 2 by 12 and 12, 2 by 12, and this is 6, and this is going to be 4 by 6, and this is going to be 2, and which is going to be 8 and 3. So the prime factor here of 24, the prime factor of 24 is the number among these prime, among these factors, that is a prime number. And the factors are 1, 24, 2, 12, 4, 6, and 3, and also 8. Sorry, 8, and also 8. So we check the number that are prime here, that are prime number is already 3, that is prime. So the prime number, the prime factor of 24 is 3. Let's check about 36. 36 is what? The factors of 36 is 1 by 6, 1 by 36, and it's going to be 2 by 18. It's going to be 2 by what? This thing going to be 2 by 9. Going to be 2 by 2 by 9, which is going to be 4 by 9. Yes. This is going to be 4. This is going to be 3 by 3. Yes, 3 by 3. Yes, 3 by 3. This is going to be what? It is going to be 12 by 3. The camera is not capturing everything. Yes, sorry. It's going to be 3 by 3. So the factors are what? 1, 36, 2, 18, 9, 4, and 3. And the prime factor is a prime number. The prime factor is a prime number, and which is 1. And this is supposed to be 1. Sorry, 3 and 1 is the prime factor here. The prime factor here is what? How can we put it? It's 3 and 1 also. 3 and 1. So if I told you what is the prime factor of 24 and 36, then is 3 and 1. Therefore, the prime factor of 24 and 36 is 2. No, 3 and 1. Oh, come on. I'm very sorry. But the main definition, the main logic is being gotten. That is the whole matter is 3 and 1. Okay, thank you for having patience to, despite the video coverage, you insisted to finish the video. Okay, that is where we draw the curtain of prime factor with an exercise which we are going to give right now. Okay, the exercise says, what is the prime factors of these numbers? That tell you what is the prime factors of this number. Give us the prime factors of this number. What can we multiply with this number can give us this number? And that told you to list the prime numbers of the following number. Okay, we'll see you in the next video, and remember to subscribe to the channel. Just capture the question and write it in your solve it in your exercise book, and meet us in the next video. Thank you.